Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door light switch on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the light switch is not working properly. For this repair, we'll be using a putty knife, a Phillips head screwdriver, a ratchet with a 1/4-inch socket, and 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. And keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. Alright, so to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here. And I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line. And I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So our door light switch is going to be right here. To get to it, the first thing that we're going to do is remove everything off the top of the stove. So all these grates, all the burners. Next thing I'm going to do is remove all the knobs, and then we'll put those off to the side. Now we'll open up the door, and there's going to be 2 screws here and here that we're going to have to remove. Now I'm going to use a putty knife. There's a couple of clips right here. You're just going to have to push in on. And we're going to lift this up just a little bit. Don't want to lift it up too high because we've still got these orifices attached. And now we have to remove these 3 screws here. So I'm going to take a ratchet with a 1/4-inch socket on it. And we'll get those all removed. There we go. Now with all the screws off, you can just remove this front cover. Alright, so now to get this out, there are 2 little clips on either side of it. You're going to have to pinch in. Then you can just pull this out. There we go. Now we'll just wiggle out. So you can see here there's 2 little wires. And we'll unplug those. There's 1 and 2. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement door switch. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now I'll grab my wires and I'll plug each one in. And feed this back through the hole. And that'll clip right back in. There we go. So now I can put this front panel back on. So we'll line everything back up. We'll get this first screw started in here. And now I'm going to put the screw back up in there. There we go. Now we can close the door. Okay, now I'm going to line up the top piece. We're going to make sure that's pushed all the way back on both sides. There we go. Now everything's snapped back into place. And now I'm going to put the knobs into place. now we can put the burners and the grates back on. And now I can put all the burners and the burner covers on top. Here. Now we've got the burner caps. And the grates. There we go. Now we just have to hook up the gas again. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. There we go. In case your adapter is spinning inside, you might want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.